Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW 4 Series wiper blades. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the windshield and supporting it. Release the old blade using the tab or clip while holding the arm steady. Compare the old blade to the replacement to confirm length and attachment style. Snap the new blade into place until you hear a click. Gently lower the arm back to the glass. To remove the old blades, first lift the arm and secure it in the upright position. Locate the small release tab or clip where the blade meets the adapter and press it while sliding the blade down. Keep one hand on the arm to prevent it from snapping back. Once detached, remove the blade fully and set it aside for comparison with the new replacement part before installation. Installing new blades is straightforward when you match the adapter and length to the old blade. Align the replacement with the arm connector and push or slide it until the clip or tab snaps into place securely. Check that the blade is seated straight and does not wobble. Carefully lower the arm back to the windshield and run the wipers briefly with washer fluid to confirm proper contact and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.